Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an engineering mathematics 3 KNEC question paper, Diploma Mechanical Engineering. I'm going to show you how to tackle question 6 of this paper, which reads that show that one root of the equation x cubed minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 lies between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. Hence use the Newton-Rhaphson method to determine the root correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, from what we have been given, we have been given x cubed minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 lies between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. So what we do, we say function of x is equals to this is equals to x cubed minus 5x plus 3. Don't now include 0. Then using the Newton-Rhaphson formula, which is x root n plus 1 is equals to x root n minus function of x root n all over function pi x root n. This is the Newton-Rhaphson formula. So we use this. We start by finding first function of x root n, which in this case is x root n cubed minus 5 x root n plus 3. We find again root function of pi. Function of pi x root n is equals to 3x root n, 3x squared root n plus 3. This is the 3 disco. Okay, we then get back to our formula, which reads x root n plus 1 is equals to x root n minus, we now substitute this with this. So we start with this x root n cubed minus 5x root n plus 3 divide by 3x squared root n plus 3. Okay, we now calculate this, bring it together. So this one, we are now solving this one. X root n 3x root n 3x squared root n plus 3, close the bracket, minus 1 into bracket x root n cubed minus 5x root n plus 3 divide by 3x root n squared plus 3. After we substitute this, we find x. If you can substitute it, you find x root n plus 1 is equals to 2x root n cubed minus 3 all over 3x root n squared minus 5. Okay, we move. We say if this one, we have found this one, we come here and say if root n is equals to 0, x naught will be equals to 3. So you now come and found the first approximation approximation. So x naught is equals to 3. We come and substitute. If n is equals to 0, x naught is equals to 3. We substitute in this question. X root n plus 1 is equals to 2x root n cubed minus 3 all over 3x root n squared minus 5. So if n is equals to 0, x naught is equals to 3. So in this equation, x naught plus 1 is equals to 2x root 0 cubed minus 3 divided by 3x root 0 squared minus 5. We come here, we come here and x naught is equals to 3. If you can substitute, if we compute this one, we'll find x, because this one you get x over 1, x root 1 is equals to 2x root 0 cubed minus 3, this one, all over 2 all over 3 x root 0 squared minus 5. So if you can calculate this one, substitute this with this. So x root 1 is equals to 2 times 3 cubed minus 3 all over 3 times 3 squared minus 5. You find is equals to, if you can calculate on your calculator, you find 2.3182 to 4 decimal place. This is the first approximation. So the second approximation, you come here. This is if x is equals to, if n is equals to 0. What if n is equals to 1? You come here, you substitute x 1 plus 1 is equals to 2x 1 cubed minus 3 all over 3x root 1 squared minus 5. So x squared is equals to 2 times 2.3182 cubed minus 3 all over 3 times 2.3182 cubed minus 5. You find that one.